Hi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is probably the first time I have like a proper video with the voiceover. I have been dealing this for months and months and months, but finally I was like कि नहीं मुझे तो बनाना है and I want to start recording my vlogs and everything. So just a little introduction that hi, my name is Rupal and I have been doing fitness content creation for past 6 months. Have been doing gym for past 1 year. The main reason why I started doing gym was because I was at my lowest at that time. I probably gained like 10-12 kgs because of job and unhealthy lifestyle and other reasons also. So when I started gym, I was so nervous. मेरे को डर लगता था because going to a gym is intimidating. Like you just walk into a place full of people where people are just minding their own business. But वो anxiety रहती है कि what if people will judge me? What if people will laugh at me? But trust me, no one is actually watching. Everyone is busy in their own thing. Everyone is just doing their own workouts and everything. Reason why I started my YouTube channel was because when I started my fitness journey, there was no one who helped me actually to or guide me like proper बोलते ना कि you have to do this, do that, don't do this, don't do that. I did not have that. Luckily, right now I train 6 times a week mostly, but it can also be like 5 times a week. एंड मेरा वर्कआउट स्प्लिट बहुत ज़्यादा चेंज होता रहता है. आई इट्स नॉट अ गुड थिंग आई नो, बट माई बॉडी इज़ दैट वे. if I don't change my workout routine, I will see no progress. So I have to change my workouts like after every 1 month, 2 month or 3 months में तो change करना ही पड़ता है. And I did not write anything, I did not think about anything. ऐसे कुछ plan किया नहीं है that I will talk about this, that. So this is just going to be very random that I'm just going to record and say whatever I want to. I'll be taking you all to my gym today. I have been skipping gym for like 4 days. Not skipping, I had work, so I had to travel for past 2 days, so I could not be at the gym. Saturday Sunday आ गया बीच में, तो वो दोनों plus 2 days, so it's like 4 days I missed. अभी वापस जिम जाऊंगी तो आई हैव टू लाइक स्टार्ट बैक फ्रॉम जीरो. यू लूज द स्ट्रेंथ एंड यू लूज द प्रोग्रेस व्हेन यू आर नॉट कंसिस्टेंट विद द जिम. The one major reason why I lagged and it took me years to get here is because I was not consistent with my workout. I used to go, I used to do a workout, and majorly I used to do just cardio. Like I remember myself now that I used to go to the gym and do just treadmill. I'll just do like 20-30 minutes of treadmill. I'll do proper stairmasters and this, and I used to think that is a workout, but that's not. So it's very important to have right people around you who can actually guide you through the gym process. It can be friends, it can be a personal trainer, anyone. I was lucky that way that I have like my brothers, both of them go to the gym, so I did not face that much of a problem. But जिम के साथ आई थिंक वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट मिस्टेक आई डिड वॉज नॉट हैविंग अ प्रॉपर डाइट. आई यूज टू ईट वॉट एवर आई वॉन्ट टू बिकॉज आई हैड द माइंड सेट कि मैं तो जिम जाती हूँ, ऑफकोर्स आई एम गोना बी हेल्दी. लाइक इट डज नॉट मैटर इफ आई एम हैविंग बर्गर, फ्राइज और एनीथिंग एल्स, बट आई गो टू द जिम. So for the longest time I could not see results, I could not see progress, is because I used to eat whatever I want to. My diet was quite poor. I did not know it was, so I decided to change it. It took me a long time to get here because I already have a lot of health issues with my body specifically. So every body is different and everyone has their own set of problems and comebacks and setbacks. So yeah, also I think the biggest thing in the longest time was that I could not, like, I had no motivation to go to gym. I used to skip gym a lot of time because there was no one to work out with me, or I always used to feel like यार सब लोग हंसेंगे मेरे पे, like I don't know this, and how else will I go and do workouts if I don't know any workouts? How am I going to do this exercise? What if people will laugh at me? What if people will look at me? And trust me, even if someone is looking at you, they are probably thinking that what set they are supposed to do next after this. And it's it's the same for everyone. I think people who are watching right now also will like relate that no one is actually staring at you. It's just that someone is thinking about something. Even I do it. Like I'll be keep staring at something for a long time, and I'll be like, in my head it's like, अरे ये सेट तो मैंने किया, oh I have to do this now. But सामने वाले को दिखने में ऐसा लगता है कि it's basically that people are staring at us. It's not that way. And if you're just starting your gym right now, I think the biggest thing you need right now is not diet, it's not anything, it's just consistency. The biggest mistake I did was not being consistent throughout my gym progress. And yeah, that's that. I'll quickly take you to what I eat in morning. Basically, I've been having one particular breakfast. Not one particular breakfast. I have oats, quick, easy, and I have been having those for like past 1 year, 1.5 year. I've been into gym. I think one, it's because it's quite easy to make. You don't have to like put a lot of work into it. It's quick. It's easy for people who go to work or who don't have time usually to make a proper breakfast. Also, having a high protein diet. I think the biggest thing again in my gym and in my where I lacked progress was not having enough protein. Now, according to like scientifically also, you need 1.5 to 2 grams of protein your body weight. So it's like for me it's above 100, 120 if I calculated that way. Yeah, it's above 120. But then I used to not have one single gram of protein in my diet. Like हम सोचते हैं कि घर का खाना is healthy. It is healthy, but you need to have protein along with it to see results. And high protein diet is something that we usually lack as Indians. Also, we don't have a proper diet, and we don't usually we have a lot. Like what I've seen is like, this is not a research based or anything. I'm just saying it that what I have observed is like people have a high carbs diet. That's why I think most of the people are not fit or not healthy, maybe because we lack in protein. So yeah, for the longest time I just forget what I'm saying half of the time. I don't know what's wrong with me. Yeah. So as I was saying, protein is a very important uh, ingredient in your weight loss journey, I would say. Having at least 1 gram per your body weight. For example, if your body weight is 60, you at least need 60 grams of protein if you're just starting out. And if you have been doing it for a long time, you need at least 1.5 to 2 grams per body weight protein. So you can either, like if you're a non-vegetarian, of course it's gonna be through eggs, chicken, fish, and protein powders. And if not, at least for me right now, I don't take protein powders. I used to take, but they don't suit me. So not every protein powder suits me. That's the problem. That is why I try to complete my protein intake through whole foods. And if you're a non-vegetarian, you can have paneer, you can have yogurt, you can have soybean, you can have other things that have protein. Like I'm not a vegetarian, so I'm not aware about other things. So I'll quickly take you to what I eat in a day, morning breakfast edition. So I have oats. I used to have muscle-based oats before, like when I just started out. Recently, I've been shifting to Pentola's high protein oats or muesli for that matter. I keep switching. I am someone who does not like to have monotonous breakfast. So one, I have like oats, or second, I have muesli because it provides me energy for my workouts. Now I train in the afternoon. I usually train in the afternoon. So it's like I have my breakfast, I have my lunch, and then I train. It's maximum it is because I need energy. I train usually in a very high क्या बोलते हैं उसको, just clueless what it's called. So wait, let me recollect. um, High volume, no, high intensity, yeah. So basically I have my breakfast, I have my lunch, and then I train, because my workouts are usually high intensity. Even if I am doing a normal leg day or a normal chest day, I pair it up with some cardio or a CrossFit movement at the end of the workout. Reason is because I am trying to still lose fat that my body has. Like, I'm not trying to lose the weight, because it does not really matter, but I am trying to lose fat, and it's very difficult. But yeah, anyways, so what was I saying again? So I'm, as I said, my workouts are high intensity workouts, so I need to eat properly. Like, the oats that I have, they have a good amount of carbs, protein, and it's a balanced meal. So I don't really have to sit and think and add more of a protein into my breakfast. I get around 19 to 20 grams of protein in 50 grams of oats, along with 250 grams of milk. So my breakfast is pretty much sorted every day. I try to have the same breakfast. Reason being कि ज़्यादा switch करते हैं तो you tend, like, at least as per my body, I don't see progress. Like, if I keep switching between my breakfast, I will not see the results that I want. My body is something that, like, I have to stick to something that is monotonous. Like, if I'm having oats, मैं oats ही खाऊंगी अगले 6 महीने, अगले 1 साल, whatever. So right, I have oats in the morning. Lunch is pretty much simple. Carb source, that's rice, or it's chicken usually, but today's Tuesday. I don't have chicken on Tuesday. It is for my own religious belief. So except for Tuesdays, I have the pretty much same meal every single day. Either it's lunch, it's dinner, it's the same. I don't switch. I try out new recipes. Probably when, like, I have a lot of time in my hand, so I keep trying new recipes, and I'm try to explore food which is tastier and healthier. So if you all want to see that too, please drop the comments. Now quickly, let's go and make our breakfast. So as I mentioned that I pretty much have the same breakfast for like past 1.5 years. It's because it's quite easy to make. Plus, इतना सोचना नहीं पड़ता कि I have to add protein into this, or if I have to add something else to complete my protein intake. So basically, I have this 50 grams. I add like 50 grams of oats along with 250 ml of milk, like which gives me around 20 grams of protein for my breakfast solely. So it helps me. It's easier to complete my protein intake throughout the day with oats. As I mentioned, I have 50 grams of oats, and I will add some milk to this. I usually prefer having plain cold milk. You can also use hot if you like it that way. So I take 8 ounce of water. It's technically 250 ml of milk. A lot of people like to have it with fruits. You can pair it up with chia seeds or any seeds of your choice, or you can add any optional fruit. I like mine to be plain, and I like to eat it this way only. Hi, so I'm making ABC juice. So 1 beetroot, some amla, carrot, and apples. I was diagnosed with low hemoglobin and iron 6 months back. So my doctor had suggested to take this juice every day. Plus, I have seen incredible results, as a result of which I drink it almost every day. So let's just quickly blend it all together. Add a little water for the consistency. I have roughly chopped the ingredients into small pieces. Let's just put it into the blender. This is a disaster. And this is ready. So approximately एक glass juice बन जाता है उसमें, and it helps to detoxify your body internally. So it's 2 o'clock and I have to go to gym. मैं usually afternoon में train करती हूँ, so I'll quickly take you all to my gym, and today we're gonna train lower body. So let's just quickly get ready. So this is the ABC juice along with some amla, and ये help करता है to detoxify my body, improve my gut health and skin health. So I have it almost every day. Consistently तो नहीं बोल सकती, but whenever I have the time, I have the ingredients at home, I try to make this. I got ready. I'm wearing this blue oversized t-shirt along with the black shorts and matching socks. Quickly apply sunscreen and we are good to go. Already मैं late हो चुकी हूँ, but sunscreen is must. Let's just quickly go and I'll see you in the gym. These are the two people I train with. One, two.
Cameraman.
Also, he's the one who does everything.
कासवाचा व्हिडिओ आहे ना.
So I'm going to the gym. It's divided. Oh, my cute socks. ठीक है, स्क्वाट्स है सर, एक सेट.
काय बोलते काय
अरे म्हणजे वॉर्मअप नाही करणार
वॉर्मअपच करते चालते स्विंग करायची
लागेल. हा
माझी बॉटलचा पण ऍड होते
अरे तू आला ना लास्ट टाइमच्या व्हिडिओ मध्ये तर आलेला.
काय झालं तुला
पाय दुखतात
हा
बिकॉज मैं 4 दिन बाद आई जिम इसके लिए. I try to take 8 reps because उससे ज़्यादा जाता नहीं है. Also I came to gym after a long time, so I've been really fatigued. My body is. क्यों नहीं बन रहे हैं लेग? क्यों नहीं बन रही है बॉडी?
आणि स्लो आहे
हाँ?
स्लो वरती
Really? थकले मी एवढ्या वेट मध्ये थकले. हा म्हणतर तुझी कंबर तुला 100 This has to be my favorite exercise. पूरे लेग डे में. Ready? I don't like Bulgarian split cut. I will die, but I can't do that. I mean, I can, but I just don't like it. Love-hate relationship. VCAA. VCAA. Muscle build. Energy maintained. They are not giving me money to promote them, so why would I mention their name? हाँ काय बोलू तुम्ही मराठी नाही हिंदी में बात करना।
ये फोटो से दादा ठीक है बोलने
ब्रेड ब्रेड पुट दिस 20 20 40 when you can lift the weight but you can't lift the weight. More 20. No, this is enough. No, not max. Warm up. Regretting life decisions. I don't like doing lower body. I don't know, I'm just built that way. Gym anthem. My legs. Again na. I can barely walk. Bas, I'm done. Done for a day. It was difficult. Cameraman, focus कीजिए. Thick thighs. This is what happens when you train with two guys. Mid workout, and this is what they are doing. Expert level workout. Fan ना. किती 10? ना तेरा ना मेरा 15. I'm tired already. I'm tired already.
Legs breakers.
Half squat. डेड
डायरेक्ट नको डायरेक्ट ब्रेक्स
हमारा चल रहा है